Looks like 340 rejecting
Yeah,
pre-market.
that's the trading range. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but we're making lower highs, so we should make lower lows.
It's the trading range here.
I know.
And this from here to here, it's just a 50% retracement. We can come back down here as well. This is the London Asia low here, 6319.
Yeah, it was 6313. Well, first low overnight.
No, this is 1910. That is 910, right? 2110. So that is 910, and these are 9 o'clock. So this is the lowest of Asia. So this is Asia low, and
615 was
no,
6.
that's the Globex low. Asia low we consider between 9 and 12,
Mm,
and London between 3 and 5.
okay.
Okay, so let's see. This is the London high there. This is the London high, and I think this will be the London low. 540, 535. This should be the London low. 515. Yeah, this is the London low, and we are not crossing above that. This is the London low.
Mm. Well,
And if I look till 12 o'clock, this is the Asia high. So this is the band of resistance that this is creating. Here we have the Asia high. So Asia high and London low is creating the resistance right there.
yeah, looks like head and shoulders.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's make projection where it goes. From head and shoulders, I say going to 6306.
But I'm thinking it will get back up here. Look at this. Look at this. This is what it created, and then it pushed back up. So you
Mhm.
never know. Let's see.
Just in case if it.
Because what has happened here, what I'm looking at is look at this fair value gap, right? And we had a fair value gap here as well. So this was the low of the gap bar. Here also, this is the low of the gap bar. None of the time we could take out the lows of the gap bars. We did not close a single time below this. Hey Pradeep, long time. Good morning.
Hey, so much. Can you hear me?
I can.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I was in India for a few weeks and then, like back
Okay.
to office started. So I'm not getting any time for this.
Uh,
How are you doing? I'm good.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
What is dots actually? I was looking at the Discord after a long time.
So
And
what I'm trying to do is I am trying to capture high volume indecision candles.
okay,
Okay. And this is I'm still testing this. Okay. See
okay.
what happened here. We came to this trend line, right? And then we got this, right? We have this strong bar here. We have the strong bar here, but this has a wick. But immediately after that, I'm seeing this. But I have this thing as well. So now I need something to close below this. This closed
Mm,
below this, created the gap, pull back, short below this. Okay. Or if you're too aggressive, you can short right here as well because you're
okay.
seeing that it's coming down from here.
Mhm. It looks like it's rejecting VWAP.
Yeah. And again, if you look at it, this became the gap bar. So that is what I say, right? Whenever you see no, there is a gap bar, look for whether we are able to cross over that or cross below that. So that is something that you need to look for. Now, see, again, we are at this trend line and this dot is appearing. They're trying to appear. Now, it will appear only if the bar is a spinning top or a doji.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah, trading range, big ups, big downs. Just
Yep.
so far as like one leg down and maybe get hit.
I got this move. I took this second entry long here, 36. I got till 42, and then the runner, I came out here 40.
Mm. Did you short at 42?
No, no, no. I did not short.
Yeah, it was good short. 42. You may stay in the same range as yesterday. Is any major news today?
No news today. Major news is tomorrow, I think we have some employment data,
Mm-hmm.
and then CPI, PPI next week.
I see.
And I'm thinking market is waiting for that inflation data.
Yeah.
And see, this was a previous low, right? So we did break that down, but immediately took it up again. We broke it down, we took it up again. So we did not get a continuation below this particular low here, 6335. There you go. We have opened up right below the 200 EMA on the RT8 chart. EMA wise, the RT8 chart is distributed nicely. 200 at the top, then 70, then 20. We are at the 20 EMA right now, and we are breaking it down, mostly coming down to this 2320 areas again. And this box, this is the area where price should go if we break this down. But we may get some support in this area as well, the 2526 area. But I think it is coming down here. Since we have broken this trend line, and this broke for the first time. So there is always a possibility that we'll get back inside and keep going to the top.
Mm.
We came to the COY, we bounced from there, trying to get above the 200 EMA. And now that's becoming a doji. It's getting rejected at the top of the 200 EMA. Let's look at the 2 minutes chart. That's a strong reversal. Let's see. Okay, we are getting above the 200 EMA now. We started at 28.75. 58.75 can be reached to get that 30 points. And we know 58.75 is a resistance, right? But if it goes there, we are still not, the candle is still not over. We'll take a look at SPX. See, we got this wedge setup structure. SPX is a doji here. It opened right at 63.10, which is the 63.35 area here. And it's becoming a doji. 1 more minute left. We still could not get above the 200 EMA. I mean, we went above it, but we could not close above it. 28 to 38, we just got 10 points. Nice strong bar, but shall we get above the EMA and try to get here? Shall we get a follow through, or it will come back down to give a second leg? Looks like it won't. It wants to get back to the top of this gap bar, at least to the 4140 area. But we need another strong bull bar after this if market wants to sustain and get to the upside. Let's go, bulls. Shall we or not? 38 became the resistance again. And now we are back to the 20 EMA. 200 EMA rejected. We are back to the 20 EMA. Back to this wedge. Not good yet, but let's see. This is a strong bar. Volume is almost one third of the previous bar, and this is an inside bar. So it has all the components of an inside bar.
We almost, yeah, bear should get 20 points since we started, I think. It's
Yeah,
bear market. Oh, no. Below EMAs, we go down.
yeah.
Let's go bears. Let's go down. 6,300. Let's do it.
We're getting rejected at the EMA again. Now we have closed below these gap bars. And it is staying in this 10-point range now. We did not close below the first bar yet, so we are holding the near the COI. We have closed below the COI, but we have not closed below the low of the first bar. We are staying below this box at this point. So that 29 to 33 is giving up, but again, follow through. No follow through, nothing happens. We got this bar as a pullback and then we came down. So if they want to get a 1:1 of this to the downside, then in that case, it can actually, but 6,300, we are at support, right? At SPX also, we are right at the support. There's a little bit more that it can go, but it has not gone yet. So from here to here, and we are getting a possible reversal signal here, but it can get to this 23.25. Let's see how this candle closes. This should be a continuation. This should be a continuation here. We are getting rejected at the 20 EMA now, but it is not a bear bar. So
So far we have two legs down from pre-market.
mm,
One leg down, pull back. Now second leg down, a little bit lower than opening bar. We should reject again at 35. Maybe get one more leg down. Unless we do trading range in this area from 28 to 38, 39.
5 more minutes left in this bar.
Wow, big comeback. Big bars like 10 points bar at least. Try to get above 20 MA on 2 minutes CTH, but rejected. May get one more leg down.
Yeah,
Maybe 63.20, 63.15. Bears are losing steam.
let's see. I don't think so.
No,
I don't think so. The 20 is still below the 200.
yeah. But compared to yesterday breakout, it was just down, down, down. Today we have big pullbacks. Today, yesterday was stronger. Their move at the open. May have to come back up and test 20-day moving average. $63.50 is 20-day moving average. Below 20-day, we should stay bearish. Maybe next moving average test.
Yeah, let's see.
Next moving average is 50-day. It's far away.
But we are not still getting above the 200 EMA properly. We are, but let's see. It should get this move. If we can get above these areas, it will take up to 47 and maybe this London high again.
Right.
Lovely. Let's go. So 27.5 to, first let's get 47, shall we? Let's go back to the resistance area.
Market resistance around 42, 43. It was rejected
Yeah,
many times, rejected.
let's see. Our 2-minute EMA is also below the 200 EMA, so that is why it is becoming a strong resistance. We did not close below the above the high of bar 1, and we came back the whole distance down again almost to the 20 EMA.
Yeah. If you're a good scalper, you can scalp 10 points up and down
Yeah,
between 30 and 40. I'm not good scalper. It's too fast for me. Those moves are too fast. Go 10 points up, 10 points down in like 5 minutes.
is it trying to get back to the low of bar 1?
Maybe next leg down can take us to 20. Crazy.
Yeah, it's a tough trading range here.
Yeah. So quick. It's like algos.
We came exactly from the bottom of bar 1. So this area is still holding. This is 930. 930 is a strong bar on 10 minutes. 15 minutes it's a doji, but our 15 minutes candle has not ended over. Nice. Shall we break out and go to 57? See again the same spot, but SPX is holding that 6300 area well, but we are not able to get above that. We are above that 6310, but we have not closed anything above this. We need a good closure above this to continue up.
And down we go.
It's rejecting that same area again.
And down we go. Still can't break out or break down. Made high. Still rejecting 200 EMA on 2 minutes.
Yeah, but on 5 we are above 200 EMA. I'm thinking it will go to 47.
Yeah, it should test 20 day at 51.
But
It
we
keeps
needed a breakout structure above this, which did not happen. So let's see what it wants to do here.
yeah. Big battle.
Now we are getting too strong. These things here.
And we go down.
Everything is having so big volume.
Both trying to get back to 20 daily.
It looks that way. Let's see.
Bears trying to prevent it. Who's gonna get breakout?
Back to the 20 again. Yeah, and the exact same spot rejected again. See?
Hmm. So much volatility.
Yeah.
All overlapping candles. It's a chaos.
Ah, lovely. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on, let's go. Huh? You get a trap.
Yeah. Almost got you 47.
Yeah.
It would be a good wedge at 47.
But we need to close above this. We need to close above this, and then we can continue up to this. I'm thinking of 51, 52. Actually thinking of the London high, 57. So 30 points from here, they should be able to take it to 57.
Yeah. But we didn't close any candles yet on 2-minute chart above 200 EMA on EP.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where are the EMAs here?
Maybe this candle. Yeah.
No, we did.
Yeah. This time. This candle did.
But we have to get above this London low and then go to the London high. London low itself is rejecting now. We need a breakout structure above this high, these highs. Close above this, the previous high of the day.
Yeah, looks like it's going for London high.
Lovely. I took one out here finally. Now we need to get above this high at 6348.5. That was the 50% of the day yesterday. And we are back to that level. No, the 50% was 43. So we are above that. Let's go. Let's go. Don't you fall from here.
Painfully.
Don't do this here. Don't do this here. Keep going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lovely. Come on. Sixty-three 50. We did not hit the trend line yet, which is at 50.75. Now we did. This is 63.25. Can we break out of that and try to get to 6342 here? I don't like this candle here, especially with this dot. I need it either to be a strong candle, breakout. We should get to 57 as long as 47 holds. This is the low, right? This is the low, 27.75.
52 is 20-day moving average. Can be battle at 52. If 20 daily rejects, or if it's gonna break.
We need to get above this. This is the 2 POI, 2 COI. We have not yet touched that.
Mm.
And this is the flag. This is the gap. 296329. Here is the gap. So once we start getting through the gap, we may get to 6335 to the 6339 area. But right now, this is your order block. So now this formed the gap bar. So if they want to get rid of the trap pairs, they will bring it back to 41. Now we are holding above the 4-hour EMA. So this is what they did yesterday around the 4-hour EMA. From here, 48, we went up 10 points. This is the ETA chart. So now let us see if they are trying to do the same thing. If we close below this, I'll come out. And I'll come out of this current longs that I have. But I am thinking that it will take us to this 57 line. And then can actually break out a little bit. But I'll take profit at 57. Because this can start a pullback, right? This can start a pullback and bring it down to here. That is what I'm afraid of. Mm.
We came very close to 20-day moving average and rejected right under it.
Yeah.
We're probably
20-day moving average of daily?
yeah, daily. Daily is at 51.
Why don't I have that? I thought I had the daily one.
Hmm.
One day, come on. No, but the daily 20 EMA is not here. This is the daily 20 EMA, 6327.
Mm. Not on my chart. On my chart is at
This candle is getting strong now.
51 daily.
But let's see.
Daily SMA, not EMA. Simple moving average.
SMA is where?
52.
But it will show me, it will not show me the daily one. Okay, let's check this out once.
You check DSMA daily. It shows
Oh,
all.
there's an indicator there, DSMA?
Yeah, I gave you before.
Right. Which one?
Yeah, I'll post it in the chat room. And it has all values where.
So it came back to 41.
This is have a daily SMA 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Number 3 from a bottom. Oh, no. Number 4 from a bottom. Was a perfect rejection of 20 daily. Now bear is making fair value gap on 5 minutes.
Back to the 200 EMA. Here on RTH. Back to this thing, and I closed my shorts here. So I just took a little scalp to this.
You can hold your shorts for 2 legs down.
I don't think we'll get 2 legs down. Anyways, I came out. I'm already out at the 200 EMA here, 36.5.
Mm.
There you go, 70 EMA. The 20 EMA just trying to get above the 200 EMA here. The 20 EMA is above the 70 EMA now. It's trying to get above the 200 EMA, but this move is really strong. Another 2 minutes left in this bar. This is 950. From here, this was the first entry long. Then we came down, we created the second entry long. And today, maybe we will be in this 20-point range. But this is still a higher low.
Also, we made lower high from pre-market. We didn't reach pre-market high or London high. And we right back. Well, moving averages don't matter anymore because of trading range. 200 EMA is just flat, and we just go above and below it. So I wouldn't pay attention too much to moving averages unless we get a trend, which we don't. Just pay attention to 5-day moving average with holding a support 6333.
So which one is that, Serge? I look for DSMA.
Yeah,
Which one is this? Can you see that?
you can use
This one, daily SMAs, right?
yeah.
Okay. So I will not put this on this chart.
I just change 10 to 5. Like inputs, instead of 10, I change it to 5.
This
And
is pink. Okay. And then you change it to 20.
20 is fine. No, where is 20?
This is the 5 SMA.
20
Here.
is already where?
20 is EMA here.
No, it's we
Okay,
have it.
let's see. We are coming back to the low of the gap bar again.
So 5 is holding. It's like, where is the range between 5 and 20 now?
Oh,
This
this is
is
your
20. This is
okay,
20.
okay.
Yeah. You see, 5 is holding a support and 20 is a rejection. So it's we trading between 5 and 20.
Mm.
Because if 5 breaks and we go to 50 next, and 50 is far away.
Oh boy. 51 to 33. Will they get 31?
It's a strong move.
Back to the wedge line here. Oh boy. Okay, we are mostly coming to this next buy zone at 24, 24, 25, right here.
Lovely, lovely.
Now, shall we get a follow through or shall we now pull back? We are getting a follow through as of now. It's not pulling back. So we may come to the low of yesterday as well. Let's look at SPX. SPX is still at 6,300 support.
We are breaking 5.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing.
Yeah. Next support could be 10 or fair value gaps. 22 maybe. 20. 16. It's quite far away. If you break 30, I wouldn't go long. Because once we break 30, it will be more downside. If you get measuring move of this trading range from 28 to 48, the downside is 63.05.
Yeah, it is not able to get above the low of bar 1 again. That is where we are rejecting. But let's see, it's a trading range.
Yeah.
We closed below the low of bar 1, and now this guy is rejecting that.
If you get measuring move to the downside of the trading range, you get 63.05. Right now, looks like we're trying to break out to the downside. You have 2 bear gaps, fair value gaps on 5 minutes. And it's risky to buy.
This is becoming a good inside bar. But it's still a bear bar. It's not a bull bar. We have got the volume for it to become a reversal bull inside bar. But we need to go strong inside it, maybe up to 32 and 35 again. Now that we have fallen below the 29 line, and we are immediately trying to get above it.
Still in the trading range. We haven't broken below.
Yeah,
We're still just back in the same trading range.
this is reversal, but We went above the 30 mark again. We went inside this box. You have this double bottom here. If this double bottom holds 25, it can easily get up to that 35 line. And then back to 45 actually. 26 to 36, let's get that. That will be the 200 EMA. If we get that.
35 is rejection. 35 is 20 EMA on 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And we have bear fair value gap is not closed. But trading range, we're still in trading range between 26 and 50 until we break it. Consider it as trading range. Bears need strong break below 30 and then test it and go back down. And both need to get above this bear gap, above 35. Looks like we're trying to stay between 5 daily and the 20 daily today. It's like a ping pong game. Buy 5, sell 20 until one side breaks. I'm gonna go get some coffee. Oh, waiting. Looks like we are slowing down right now.
Yeah, I took a long here around this area at the low of this bar. I took one profit. I'm still holding one. Break even stop loss. So let's see. This thing, I think we still have not closed below this 20 EMA daily. 27.75.
Yeah, bear gap rejecting again. What? 34, 35. We might.
No. You look at this, right? Look at where we went. This is the gap we have. This is the gap we have right now,
Yeah.
right? And they're holding this gap.
No.
Different color.
You see bear gap between 35.50 and 31 and 34 on 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's rejection right now.
How will this close? Okay, came to the EMA. I took one out. One more. I'm holding the last one.
Looks like tariffs are working well. It says government collect
Yeah.
$30 billion in tariff revenue.
See this trend line, this ETH trend line. This is also holding, right? So
Mhm.
the RTH trend line.
Yeah.
So I'm holding that long.
Next bear.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. 2.5. Let's go to 4.5.
Next resistance is at 43.
See, we got this thing, the inside bar reversal right at support. So you'll have to take that. Double bottom, multiple things, reversal bar, one third volume. This was above 20 MA, and this guy got one third of the volume. Reversal came in, and we chuk, went back up. This is the inside bar reversal. Lovely, 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 lovely. Let's go back to the top now. Nice.
No, it goes like from 5 daily to 20 daily.
Okay, I came out here 43. I'm flat.
Yeah. You should
27 to 43.
hold it to 50.
It's okay. It's a crazy trading range, man. It starts falling down back again. That way it can go to 70 also, right? It can go to 70 also today. Because if you look at the daily chart now, see, this was a reversal inside bar. This was the pullback, and now we have to break structure above this. Right, so it is highly possible that we will come here and then we will break through this 58. We'll break through the 58 line. This is the 58 line. This, if you remember, this was the low of this, so that is why I was so much interested in 58. After we got 58, we crossed 58, we went up 20 points. Okay, and then we have rejected again. See, this is why I came out at 43.
Nice, nice.
Where did the SPX chart go? Here. Lovely. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go here. Nice. I'm not in the trade, but I'm just cheering the bulls. 45 it can get 44.75, which is this high. Lovely.
Two minute chart shows good. Two legs down. Now we're going second leg up. On 15-minute chart, just overlapping bars. One bar red, one bar green. One bar red, one bar green. Let's see if we make lower high now. We can get lower low next.
Okay, now we have a fair value gap. Okay, so we need a breakup structure here, 6350. Come back to this fair value gap, and then we get another bar, we go up there. So let's see what happens. Or we can just do a, but I'm loving this, right? So this is the same spot. This is the same spot. Now we created another fair value gap at the same spot, and a much stronger one at that. If we get a strong breakout above 58, then it will continue. See, we got 20 points from here as well, right? What is the 25? We got 47. Exactly this box. So this is the area where we are dreaming around. But 6300 has been protected by SPX strongly. And we are back to this area. This is the order block that we said. Now this guy has become the order block, and we are rejecting right from the bottom of that again. But now we have not yet touched the top of the channel, the trend line, right, which is at 50.25 right now. It's going. It will go and touch the trend line. So that's what we have been doing. We have been coming to the bottom, and then we have been going up. Now we have created this wedge line. So we went below this wedge line, immediately recovered, came down again, recovered again. This was the reversal bar. We could not get below this, and boom, we went up. Guys, I'll go and get a coffee. I'll be back. I'll put it here. Oh, you're still there. Same spot. Still did not get the 50-25. This area. I think it's going to get that. The 50-25 line.
Hmm.
There's a big resistance at 50. That is where they are rejecting. So if you look at this is where we have this strong rejection band, 50 to 51, 52 area. That's where the rejection is happening. But since we had that inside bar set up on daily, I think it is trying to get above, get to that 5.8 and break out from there. But till that does not happen, it has not happened, right?
Suppose that R is not appearing for me. The same indicator.
No, we don't have it. We don't have it in that yet. This is the inside bar. I said that I will add it to the chart today.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is another indicator that we have. All these are actually separately there in the PA indicators. But I will combine them. I'll combine it with the same one today.
Okay.
There you go again. But this looks like a pullback. But the thing is, best thing will be if we could close a bar above this. Then even if we come back here or somewhere here, that will be a buy zone. Now on the RTA chart, the 20 EMA has moved above the 70 and the 200. So if we pull back to the 6338 area now, that should be support. They still have those bears sitting at the 50 to 52 area. They're unable to eat through it. It's getting stuck at 46 itself because now 47.5 has brought in some sellers here. But we have not closed below the low of any bar, although this is trying to close below the low of this, and we are still did not close above the 4-hour EMA. Now, if we close above, will it close above today? I am really not confident. We had a close at a follow through, then we went back, we got to the fair value gap, and we bounced from there again. Right, so ideally we should get back up here to the 57, 58 area. Let's go. This is somewhere the price should come 55, 57. This is the 1:1 of this trading range. And since we have broken out, we failed the low, we failed the top, we broke out, we failed the top, we failed the low. Failure of failure is a swing. So let's see if we can swing to that 30-point mark and get this 1:1. But first we have to break out of this 52.25 area. That's a must. Another 1 minute left in this bar. I'm just hoping we can push above this, but I don't think that is a possibility here. I am holding along because we need a strong push here to get out of this resistance range at 50, 51, 52. Shall we be able to get that? They are trying, they are trying, they are trying to chew through. The next resistance is actually at 60. So it can get to that 61 line as well. Let's get 57 first. We are above the 15 minutes ORB now. The previous high was also at, we have eaten through that. We have eaten through that. Let us get to 56.5. 57. Let's go. This is a nice breakout. So as long as we do not fall below this again, it should continue up to get to this high, this Globex high, and then we may break out from there to get to that 7-2 line again. So hold that contract. 50-point day. If we get a 50-point day from here, it will take us to that previous high at 76.77. We got the 55. That's the 1:1. It's not getting to 55, but we have a breakout structure here, right? We have a breakout structure above this. We have a breakout structure above 63.48. So if you're long from somewhere below, then even if it hold that one runner, if you have taken one at this 1:1 of the trading range, hold that one runner. I am thinking even if it pulls back, it will go further, because now if you see, we have created this pullback channel. This is the bottom of the channel, right? This was the first pullback. So now we have created this line. So we have a fair value gap here as well. So that makes this also as a gap bar. So even if we come down, I have taken one profit at 55. I'm holding the other one. My entry was around this 43.75 area. So once I saw this, it came down to this. I took the chance and bought it here as we were coming down. Lovely. Let's go. Let's go. Let's not stop here. Let's get that 61. That's the next line. If we can get 57, above 57, we will have 61. 57, 58, that's the same thing. And that will actually be the 76.4% fib line as well. 58.5, 57 area. Let's see. This was a nice breakout follow through, but this may come back inside here, retest this line, and then go up. So if we break this line, it will be around my break even target, my break even stop loss, right? So if it comes down there, it comes down there. My stop loss is one tick below the low of this bar. 42.75. 43.75 is my entry. Along with this inside bar setup, it is also evident that this whole area, whatever happened here, is actually a bear trap, right? They came below this. They could not close it here. They brought it back down here again, but the bulls held this fair value gap, and boom, we went up. Let's go, bulls. Serge, you there?
Yeah, yeah.
You long?
No, no long.
Oh.
Because 20-day moving average here.
But you did not enter anywhere here again. I came out at this 43, but then I saw these two, and then when it came down, I bought it.
Yeah,
Because this created a kind of a gap here, although not completely. So I took this as the gap bar, and I bought the low of this simple. And that was also the London low, right? So we went above the London low. We had 2 bars above the London low. So that is why I bought this London low here at 43.75. Let's see. I think we'll hit that 58. So just hold on. 58 to 61.
Yeah.
It can be 57 also. Okay. What is the London high? The London high is here. 58. Yeah. 57 is actually the first reversal attempt of this drop that started from 71, 75. So if we get above 58 now, we can get to that this box once again. So I am holding this runner. My stop loss is break even. So let's see. But now here we have got the first leg up, we have got the second leg up, but we are holding above the 50.25 is the 15-minute ORV. And we are holding above that. So there is a possibility that we keep moving on to the upside and see this still now. This candle it has we do not have a reversal candle on the bearish side. I will add that as well. But this candle may get the inside bar structure, and that may pull it back to somewhere around this 4-hour EMA again, and maybe this, and then we can bounce. Or since this is a trading range, one more thing that you notice here, this is the ETA chart, right? So we may get a wedge here, or we may have already got the wedge here. Right, so that is also, and see that line became parallel to this. That is nice. So this is our kind of channel now. Yeah.
Yeah, wealth chart showing divergence indicator, and we also a 20-day moving average, which can be.
Yeah, I mean, against this, I won't trust any divergence indicator as long as I do not see a couple of red dots come up.
I trust 20-day moving average. If we
No,
can.
that is fine. That is fine. But we can come down. I'll look for longs here again. I won't short here. This is too big a leg to be shorted. But yeah, this is the inside bar structure. This is already getting, but this is not above the 20 MA, right? This volume had to be above 20 MA in order for that. So the inside bar structure, this logic is your first bar is above the 20 MA. Correct, we got this. And then there's an inside bar which does not break the low of the previous one, closes above the 50% of itself, and closes at or above the 50% of the previous bar, and has at least 1/3 volume compared to the previous bar. That is when you get the R.
Right.
And then your short does not happen as long as you do not have a strong close below this. But even in this scenario, a strong close below this, I would have still looked at the gap bar, which is at 23.25, the low of the gap bar there on the left.
Yeah, we'll see on this 20. Right. We're right at 20-day moving average. If it's gonna cross above, close above, or close back below. That's the moment. Bulls, bears. Those 20 days very important. Bears try to close below 20-day. Bulls try to close above 20-day.
Okay, I have exited my longs below this bar because this is, although this did not touch the 20 MA, this is a reversal bar. But how far it will go, I don't know. This is just the first entry shot. And nothing has closed below the low of another candle so far. But if if this also has a long wick at the top, this whole area will become a flag and it will come here. We have two legs here. This was the first reversal attempt. This is the second reversal attempt. If it fails, we can get up to this 5, 6, 5, 8 area here. See, on the second, two candles after this can get to 5, 8, right? 2 or 3 candles after this can get to 5, 8. So you cannot just start shorting here. This is just the beginning of the channel. And see what is happening. I came out of the trade, but I think we are going to 58. It will take 2, 3 bars, but then it will finally catch up to 58, and then we will see if we are able to break out of this channel, or it will keep going this way. It will come sideways and then poke one more, and then it will come sideways, poke one more, and come up to the 74, 76 area, and then fail. But the distance between these highs are not very good, right? So that is also one concern.
Yeah.
And see here also we broke out of this strong bar. Look at this. This is RTH. Oh no, this is, yeah, this is ETH, right? At 3 o'clock, such a strong bar. We failed. We came back. We failed again at the double top. So something similar can happen here. We already have the double top here. But do we have a second entry short or do we have a gap yet? No. So you'll have to wait. And after a large bar, remember this, why I considered this as a flag. I put it there. After a large bar, if you get this, it is mostly continuation, as long as it does not go inside and uh, was- trap the bulls here and close strong above the 50% of this bar, right? Still, if you get that, and if you're long, you'll have to expect some bears here once it comes back up, because this bar is strong, right? But then you may not short here. I just scalped here at 35. I kept a 2 point stop loss. I scalped 35 and came out to this 27, this low. And then this guy came up. I already took long here. And then I came up to 43. And then from 43.75, I went long again. And I came out at 55 and below the low of this candle. So those have been the few trades today. We have gone above this. If we can get above this, this should be the target here. This is still looking like a bull flag, and it can continue another couple of bars this way before it can get to that 5, 8 line. So if you still have that long, hold that line. It was just a bad structure for the day. I should not have come out, but it's okay. Gee, this is a flat bull flag. right? It's moving sideways. Nothing closed below the low of anything. So there's nothing bearish about it. It's just a flag here. But since we have the wedge, we can get a two-legged move to the EMA, or the EMA will come up and catch up with it. And there's a good probability of coming to the EMA. Why? Because it's a tight trading range away from the EMA. We hit this, so two-legged move to the EMA is also possible. And that will bring us to the bottom of the channel. So it's not a strong bullish day here.
I look at the 200 EMA. If it's flat, when it's trading range. If it's sloping up, when both.
Yeah, so if you look at this, if you look at this daily EMA even, look at this. This has been flat for so many days.
Yeah.
From August 4th, today is August 6th. That is what for the last 2 days, it has been fixed here, and we have been going below this, coming above, going below this, coming above. But now, if you look at this, this created that wedge structure, right? And we are breaking out of that wedge. The first time we tried to break out, we came back down here, we went back up, could not figure it out, went back up. But I'm thinking if this fails again strong, we may actually come down here once more. You never know.
Yeah. But until it starts sloping down, we're not going down.
Yeah. Now the 20 is above the 200, the 20 is above the 70. So even if and the 70 has also moved above the 200. So even if they come down here, this 43.75 area, the 43 area should be support again.
Mm-hmm.
And it may not come down till there. It may just get stalled at 47.25 right now.
Yeah.
If it comes down. But see, nothing has closed below the low of any bar yet. So that is telling you that they're trying, but they are still not successful. This is your second entry short, this candle. So let's see how this candle closes. And then if it closes strong, you can short below it and come to the 20 EMA.
Yeah. Bear moves takes a long time to develop in the middle of the day.
Yeah, but what I'm thinking is there can be a bear move down here, but that will be just a trap.
It might come down to middle of the day, like 35,
Yeah.
maybe 40.
There you go. It's trying to get back to 55 again, mostly. Triple top at 55. Okay. Trying to buy above, but failing. Nice. Nice. 56 we got. It will come. It will come. It will come. 57 will come. Hopefully. You just need to close above the double top, hold it. The triple top rather. And then this is a strong bar. This is a strong bar. Look at this. It trapped the bears below, and then we moved back up. But this needs to come and touch this 57 here, the top of the channel. So I said in the next 2-3 bars it will happen. It's coming up there. And if we are not breaking any of the lows here again, then it will go this way and then it try to get to that 6-1 line. This is the next target. But we got 56.5. We did not get 57. That is one tick below the London low, a London high. Come on, come on. Let's get that. Let's get that. Bang. One tick shot. Come on. Come on. Hit it. Come on. One tick. Lovely. 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 Next is 61. I bought this candle. I came out at 57. 54 to 57. Let's see if it can get 61. My stop loss is at 55.25. Will this candle be able to go to 61? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, it will move maybe sideways for the next couple of bars. Make some room, but 55.25 is my stop loss. I'll come out there. I was a little bit afraid to enter this because of this triple top here, but worked out. This volume worked out. And we bounced from the same area, right? This was the area of resistance. We went back up, we came back down. This created your first entry long. This went below that, created your second entry long, and they can actually try to get from 55 to 65 here. Okay, so but there can be a pullback. So now it depends on you how you want to handle that. But I think we are getting to this box sometime today. And if you look at the SPX chart right now, we have broken out of the this particular candle, this particular flag area, the bear flag. Now we are having the second bar above that, and I am thinking it will come and hit this top here, and this is the actual gamma for today, 6350. So if we are starting from here, we started from where 01, so we have a 50 point ATR. So highly possible we will come up here. This is for today. This is the 1 AG, and price always moves towards the 1 AG, and I think that's what they are doing. And I don't know if we can get a measured move here based on this, but yes, if we try to do that, we started from this low. If we consider this is the leg, we went till here and then we pulled back here. See, that is where the 1:1 is. So we will definitely get to 6350. Lovely, lovely, lovely move. Let's go. Let's go. 61 hit. Next is 74. I've moved my SL to 57 for the runner. We got the 6-1. We broke out of the channel. Now I need my fib channels here to see if we got to the 25% of it. Yeah, we got the 25%. This will be the 50% area. If it comes here 6365, that will be 40 points as well. And then we can do a complete 1:1 and come and touch this here. This is what I'm thinking will happen. And if as we move further, and this target will keep on moving to the 7-4 area. Just hold your longs, nothing doing. Keep your stop loss somewhere. We have a fair value gap again. So even if we come down, this is where you should find bulls. We are squeezing, and I think we'll squeeze 50 points. Highly possible. Not 67. See how we went above 55. That fueled this move from 58 to 62.25. They did not get 5 points yet. and we have not gone that way, but it is still bullish, right? This is just a small wick, almost no wick at the bottom, high volume bar, increasing volume. So there is a chance that we will go up as long as we do not get that climactic volume, maybe till here, till like a volume like this. This is how this ended, right? So maybe that is how we will end here as well. If you see a sudden move of the bars moving out and it gets you to somewhere here 6970, take your profit. That will be the 1:2 of the channel. Or if you see that we are moving out of this and then suddenly we are getting a strong wick come out on this line, this will be the 1:to 1.5 and this will be the 1:2. My stop loss is very tight, just 3 points from here. So if we fall, we fall. I want to take that profit. I got 42 points till now. Let's go. Come on. Show some love and get to 70. 70 is the target, guys. And it'll come out around 70. We have some, again, 63, 65 has some strong bears, which is this line, right on this 1:to 1.5 line, not on this candle, maybe on the next candle here. So 65 has some resistance. 63 also, they had some, they have eaten through it. So I'm thinking they will eat through the 65 as well and get to the 70 to the 72 area. And we can also get to 77, right? And complete that 50 points for the day. So if your price is moving up, just manage your stop loss and let it run. Let's get back to SPX once. We are at the half hour from this. Got the half hour. So from 38 to 50, another 12 points remaining. 12 or 14 points remaining. So if we get that here, this takes us to 76, right? This previous high here, the 76 area. Lovely. We got the 1:to 1.5. Those 65 bears has been absorbed. We had a thick band here. This band, they have absorbed that. But this is still not climactic. It's trying to become. I'll move my SL to 59.75. Let's see if we can get 74. That will be 30 point for me. 73, 75. That's where I have put my profit taking area. But this can have a pullback. Okay, so I'm having a trailing 5 point stop loss. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dharma, last trade. Let's hit it. Hey, sorry, not 74. I have to change it. 70.75.
74 was previous month close.
Yeah. I will take profit at 70, guys. I'll take profit at this 1:2 of the channel because I'm pretty sure there will be some profit taking there. So I have put my this thing at 70.
Mm.
Lovely move. Lovely move. Come on, 3 more ticks. Volume is reducing now. So there are less buyers who are trying to buy it, but now the main resistance is here, 63.80. So that's what I was talking about. If you want to hold it, you can hold it. Dang, it went to 69.25. Okay, I'm flat here. I'm flat here. That's a 40-point move. See, this bar is now becoming climactic. If this closes and comes down here, it will get a dot on top. But we still have not got a climactic volume. This is the climactic volume. But you never know. After this, it may be going to 70 or 71 right now. Make a room for a couple of bars and then move up. We have got 40 points. We still can get. So this is not climactic yet. Now we will need to see if there are a couple of bars which are getting those dots at the top, and then we have a red bar. Maybe then we will be coming down to. There are lots of gaps here. I won't even think about shorting these. If it pulls back, it will pull back. And by now, most of you know I love to be long. So we got almost this whole run. From here we got to 43, we came out, 43.75 we entered, we came here. So we got the whole run actually from this 27 area, 27 to 67. We captured almost 40 points in this whole move. And I have done it with two contracts that has brought me to 110 points. Happy. Look at these. All these are gap bars, right? So you'll have to see where a bounce is happening, where we are getting maybe some reversal signal, even if it comes down. Or if it's strong, it will bring it down back to this midpoint of the channel at this line, the bottom of the channel here, or the midpoint of the channel somewhere here. And that will be from 6.9, we can come down to 5.9 and 6.0 and then bounce again. So let's see, or 5.758 area. So 5.758 was last Thursday's low, right? So we have broken out of that now, and once we have broken out of that, our next target was at 74. We have not yet gone there, but I think if even if we come down here, this 58 area, this particular candle will provide support, right? Because this is where the first uh, fair value gap is here. So somewhere in this range, we will find bulls again if they come down here. So from 60 to 54, this area will have bulls. If they don't have bulls here and we are feeling this, maybe it will come down to the lows again. You never know, because 61 was resistance, right? We came to 61. Above 61 we did not get to 74, and now if we are breaking down 60, see, we are coming down to the to this main channel again. So now this became a huge bar, and this is proving to be the climactic bar. See, the largest bar in this whole move. But it can just be sideways here and then go back up to this high. So we will have to wait for that. But 70 has become a very strong resistance now. It has almost 350 contracts. Now, if we can get about 70, 71, it will take us to 80. It's just a pullback. This is a big volume bar. Yeah, it's coming down. So we got one leg, two legs, three legs. So they come down to the EMA. This was the area that we said, right? This was the fair value gap. See, we came to the fair value gap, and exactly from there we are bouncing. I scalped a little bit longs here. We said that, right? Gap bar low. I bought it here, 57 to 61. Let's see if we can get back to 70. I'm holding one runner. Lovely. We got the dot as well. But if this becomes a bear bar, consider that dot as a flag. But I'm thinking it's going up to 69, 69, 70 area once again.
This has previous day high 77.
Huh? Yeah,
Previous,
77, 76, somewhere there. I think 78 here.
yeah.
Yeah.
The wealth chart
No,
showing
no. It's 77, 75.
77.50 is previous day high.
Yeah. Let's get back to 60, say 69. We're at 63, right?
Yeah.
My stop loss to 61. I want to scalp out. Target is still 70. Stop loss at 61. Let's get that. Let's get that. See, on such a bullish move, it had to take it up again. Strong bar, a strong channel, broke. Where did we find support? Here. Now, if we break out of this, we will come straight up here. And this is 56, 66 again. We can see. Let's see. I will take the profit at 66 then. That is one beautiful bar, exactly like this. Okay, 66, I'm out. That was a good trade. It can go to 70, 76, all those areas, right? I am flat and I think I'm done for the day. This move here was awesome.
Yeah,
See, I said that 57, 58 area, exactly there it bounced.
squeezed over shorts.
It's 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. Lovely. It's going to 69. See? Yeah, now they will eat through. Now they can go to 80 straight.
Not that much. There is
Yeah,
my
but 77, 78 is possible.
yeah.
Oh, hold on, I'm getting a call. 1 second.
Anything is possible.
Hello. আচ্ছা আমি পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি আমি জিপিটিকে যা জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলাম লটার সাথে হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আমি ছবিগুলো কাটিয়ে দিচ্ছি ঠিক আছে যা আমি পাঠিয়ে Man, it has been raining like crazy in Charlotte. I mean, if it continues for another 2 days, we should be able to take out some boats on the street.
Mhm.
I have a creek behind my house, and that's completely full. And it's now almost saying that okay, I'm coming to your backyard.
Yeah, it'll be like Venice.
Yeah, it will take a lot of time to come to my backyard because I have a big slope there.
Amsterdam. Do like taxi. Water taxi.
Oh yeah. Amsterdam is nice. I stayed there for almost a year.
Yeah.
I was working with ING Bank. It's not called ING there, they call it ENK.
Mm.
Come on. Let's get to 80. Let's get above 70 and get to 80. See, this is what they have. Once this is taken out, we will get to that 77, 80 area. This visualization is lovely. And then this guy is putting it up for you for free. So that's the best resource that you can use. Yeah, it's pushing through. It's pushing through. It's pushing through. It's pushing through. See, I said it will make some room and it will come up here. Now, what's the target? See, 72. The next bar, if we get the next bar, it will be the 73, 74 area. Lovely. Lovely. Come on. Hit 74. Hit 74. I took one more long here. End of this candle, just one. 72. Now my stop loss is at 70, but I think it is going to 74. We have hit the 1:2, hit the 1:2 here. Yep, I'm out. The channel hit 1:2. Lovely. Okay, I am done for the day. No more. It can go up to 77. See, whenever you see your channel is freaking out, put this fib on. Lovely, lovely, lovely. It can get up to 80. 637880. This is the area that they're targeting now. Now this is a huge bar, but look here. It's one of the lowest volume. I'll be back in a minute. Still holding that area, so maybe it will go a little 3-4 points farther again and get to that 80. You never know. I mean, the way it has been moving, getting to this 1 hour line is also not difficult. SPX is 3 points short of 6350.
Apple is very strong today.
Yeah. Mostly everything is strong today.
Yeah.
That inside bar actually made our day. Let's
Hmm.
look at the daily chart. See, we are above the high of the inside bar, 7-0. Okay, so it can easily go up here. Now, what's the target? Let's see. The two-legged move. What was the low of this bar? The low of this bar was at 51.25, right? So this is 51.25. From here, we went up till here, correct? And then we pulled back. Where did we pull back yesterday, man? So many lines. Let me duplicate this. Okay. So what were we looking at? We are looking at the daily chart, right? So let's go to daily, and then let's bring our favorite tool. From this low, we went up here, and then we came down here. So 83, and then 6452, maybe after CPI. Now, mark this support here. This is the whole support area.
We write that the previous month close 6374.25.
Yeah. See how they just fizzled you out of this. It fizzled me out as well, but then the next one did it for me. So from here, this was the double top, this was the breakout. If people bought here at 58, they definitely are trying for 78. But we got stuck at this major line here, 74. But there is no strong move down. So if there's an inside bar, it can still go and hit this. Right from above, people who bought above that 58 again, and see it came down here. Whoever was left out here, they picked it up, and boom. Now 70 has a good support of 145 contracts. I am flat. I'm done for the day. This is the area where I needed to close without getting a new high. This will give a wonderful second entry long. As long as the daily double bottom does not break. We have a daily double bottom here. Actually, we came a little bit below this bar, right, yesterday night, and then we bounced. So we have traps here. Bears are trapped here. And overnight, they brought it down to that 6240, the 50% of the move. And from there, we bounced again. So this is where all those trapped bears at the bottom, they came out. We did come out to the 6319 area also, so that is where they got the opportunity to come out of the whoever was trapped there, and then they reversed it, and boom, there we go. There, it can highly create a trading range here now, and then down maybe. I was really not expecting this move beyond this 6355 today,
No, it's crazy.
but it happened. Yeah. I was thinking we will stop at the 57, 58 area, but as soon as we cross that 50, 58 area, see, we got 20 points. That is what exactly happened here also, right? On the previous day, the RTH chart, when we crossed the 58, we went to 76.
Mhm.
So there is still an opportunity to go to that 74, 78 area.
Yeah. 74 has been strong resistance yesterday.
74 has been strong resistance yesterday. This whole area is resistance, basically 74 to 78. Because if you look here, this is your order block, right? 71 to 76.5. And we came up to the midpoint of that order block, and we are getting. But see, we have not given up 71 yet. So
Mhm.
bears are not that strong, and they still want to get that 78. And see, the same thing is happening again. It's coming down. It came down. It mitigated this whole fair value gap. So there are bulls still present here, and they may still want to push it out. So see, that is what I simply do. I take look at all these strong bottoms, the gap bar bottoms. Okay, I look for bullish move there. If it fails, it may come down to the next one. If it fails, it may come down to the next one. But when the last one fails, I scalp short. I will not scalp short here. I will scalp short once it breaks this. I am not going to short against this move.
Right.
At least as long as 58 is not broken. If 58 breaks, yes, you can try to short that with 62 as your stop loss. Okay, guys, I will go for lunch. I will stop the webinar here today,
Okay.
and I will see you guys again tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Enjoy lunch.
Yeah, have a great rest of the day, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.